In this tutorial, you'll learn how to efficiently add a new page to your Canva Docs workflow. Fast open your Docs project, clicking the Share button to access document sharing and export options. Then, select the Download button to save your file locally. Next, choose PDF Standard as your file type, and Page Size select A4 size, click the Download button to export your document in the selected format. Now, once the file has been downloaded, afterwards return to the Canva Home tab, then click the Upload option. Once you open it, you'll see two options: Folder Upload and File Upload. Upload your newly saved file by using the Upload Files button and choose the correct PDF to bring it into your workspace. Once the document has been uploaded, click on it to open it. Finally, add a new page to your Canva Doc by clicking the Add Page button. This enables you to smoothly expand your document. You've now seen how to add a page in Canva Docs. Happy designing!